Nazi, and welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Today we're talking about magnetic bracelets and 3 ways that you can wear these bracelets and that look amazing and create a unique style just for you. The first way you can wear your magnetic bracelet is simply as a single unit. You're going to simply put the bracelet on and then connect it here at the bottom. They're very easy to get on and off, especially for those who struggle to be able to connect a clasp. These are magnetic, so they simply snap together. So that's your first way, very simple. The next way you can use these is to create a super cool choker. So what you're going to do is take 2 of your magnetic bracelets. It can be 2 of the same kind or 2 different kinds. And then you're going to attach the magnet. When you go to attach the magnet, if they feel like they're repelling one another, that's simply because magnets have a north and a south pole. And like poles do not want to go together. They repel one another. So simply take one of the bracelets and flip it around, and that way you'll have 2 opposite poles and they easily attract. So opposites attract, that's how you remember. And then flip it around. There we're gonna create almost like a cute little necklace. And what we're going to do is we are going to wrap that necklace and create a super sweet little choker. Now what you can do is you can keep the clasp in the front and use it as almost like a little pendant, or you can take the bracelets and simply turn it to the side and put the clasps on the side, and there you have a cute little choker using 2 of your magnetic bracelets. The next look I'm going to show you is very simple. All you're going to do is take your double bracelets and then wrap it around to create a super stack on your wrist. Simply connect the bottom, then the magnets tend to find themselves, and then you have a really cool super stack bracelet. Now you can do this with 2 same bracelets, or you can create a unique style by mixing and matching those magnetic bracelets together. So hopefully that was an amazing tip for you. Grab those magnetic bracelets and get creative as you create a unique style that's perfect just for you. I hope you have a great rest of your day. If you enjoyed our video, be sure to like and subscribe to our page where you can learn more tips, tricks, and trainings. Make sure that you remember the most important thing, and that is that you, yes, you ladybug, you right there, you are beautiful no matter what you wear. God bless, and we'll see you right back here next week on Tip Tuesday.